random variable is a description of the outcome of an experiment. For discrete random variable, the sum of the probabilities, that is summation of fx, is equal to 0, and the expected value of the random variable x is given as ex mu, that is equal to summation of fx, and the variance of x is given as summation of x minus mu square fx, and the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So first, let the random variable x denote the uh, damage claims